in this uh, in this in this video, I will I will show you how to delete all Gmail emails at once on iPhone. The tutorial is really simple, so let's get started. Go to settings and look for mail here. Now look for default no account here and go to Gmail. All right, Gmail, and here in Gmail, not in Gmail, sorry, in just add account, add your Google account here, and once you added your Google account here, then just go to Gmail and only deselect this contacts, calendars, and notes. Only tab on mail, and that's it. Now let's go to mail, and here select Gmail and all mail. Now go here on edit and click on select all and click on trash all. Okay, now we deleted our emails. Okay, trash as well, edit, select all, delete, and all mail. We see, as you can see, I don't have um, emails anymore. I don't have any emails here. So yeah, it worked. This is, guys, the tutorial. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like the video. See you guys in the next video. Take care.